In this question, we have to sketch the curve of y is equals to a sine b theta. Okay, for a cycle here. And first of all, we have to find here the value of a and b for that. And it is provided to us that amplitude should be taken as 4 units and period should be taken as pi by 2 and a should be taken as negative. Okay, now we all know that from this equation, if this is the equation, then amplitude should be given by modulus of a, and that is equals to 4. So from here we can say that a may be plus 4 or minus 4, but we have to apply this condition that a should be negative. So finally we can say that a is equals to minus 4. Okay, because we have to take the value of a negative. Now I am moving towards period. We